Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please go to the bottom and do that now for more videos like this.
How y'all doing? This is just a quick mic test. See if you can still hear me over the sound of the wind. And I'm hoping you can. I have another mic to test out if this one doesn't work. But we'll see. Just a quick trip to Sainsbury's to grab some dinner. I think the missus is making curry. I love a good curry, me. I'm gonna open it up down this road in a minute. See if you can hear me over the sound of the wind. I'm hoping you can. Hello. Hopefully you can all hear me now. There's a little bit of wind noise. It's quite windy considering it's sunny. Here we are, Sainsbury's already. Get out the way. Gotta love a good speed bump. Oh look, it's another Duke. How weird's that? Right, hello guys, and I managed to grab my curry and I am heading home. And when I get in I'll be able to check if this mic actually works and if you can hear me clearly or not. Should be alright. When I tested it in the house it was nice and clear. It's different with the wind and stuff like that.